We don't want you coming back like this, and then you are being stopped all the time. But make sure you organize yourselves. You know, this thing, Corona, it is a serious disease. It is no joke. You are the people who are trying to save Kenyans. Is that not true? Yes, then you are supposed to be the good example. You are supposed to behave well. Yeah. But going like this, crossing the roadblock all the time, we will not allow that. And if it happens that you must cross, then your representative doctor will be telling us who is who. I think I'm clear. And I don't know why we have these problems only on Mondays. Why Mondays? That shows people want to stay in their houses, then go back for a job on Monday. Let us avoid that. Let us plan things well.
And we can identify one person who can be identifying the doctors, and I suggest we can have a stamp from your end so that in future, if that person comes with the same document and you see your stamp, you just, hata hakuna kubishana, anapita tu bila wasiwasi.
But we want that representative doctor.
Yes, I'll bring it personally.
Yeah.
I'll say that.
And we want a name, the list, and with a photo, and which hospital you're working. Yes, 3 items. Yeah. And the probable date you are crossing. 4. That's okay.
Does that one cover those who are crossing daily?
Even if it's daily, you will be in charge. So I hope you have volunteered yourself. Okay. So let us sort out now. Is the list ready? So next time we want the photos of every doctor, which hospital they work. The badge has a photo. Good. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Are we through now? Daktari, are we through now?
Yeah,
are we ready?
We are ready.
So let's go to the cars.
We are ready.
What happened in the morning is that today being a Monday, many doctors that use this road are from Murang'a, those that work in various hospitals in Murang'a, and they stay along Thika Superhighway. Also those who work in Kiambu County, the section of Kiambu County, and they live on the same superhighway up to Keno and beyond. Today being a Monday, we're also expecting doctors working with the whole of Mount Kenya region also to be either going home if they were on call or on duties for a whole 1 week, or either going back home or going to work. So Mondays we are expecting a heavy traffic of personal cars, and wherever the security people see the heavy traffic, they feel offended. And as a result, today in the morning, they splashed us with tear gas, and also there is acidic water. This problem occurs almost every Monday. I cannot say it's from which side, because in the first place, during these other days, the traffic is not that heavy. People are going back home at different hours. But on Monday morning, all those who are away for the weekend will be going back to work. All those who are working and they want to go all those who are now in Nairobi, they'll be going to Murang'a, and those who are in Murang'a will be going to Nairobi. So Monday morning are expected to be hectic, and we were prepared. We were anticipating that this would happen.